I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 26 for grade 1 mathematics. You learned about the shapes, you know about the solids, you know about the plane shapes as well. Okay, and we had started how we can make patterns in shapes. Okay, then we will learn how we can make patterns with solids, shapes and solids. The topic we are studying, that is making patterns with shapes and solid. Guys, one more thing I would like to remind you that tomorrow you have test. Okay, tomorrow you have test at 4 o'clock, and the test will be from plane shapes and solids. You have studied whatever the work which we have completed in the notebook or in the book. The all work is important for the test. Okay, so I hope you will do your best and you all will get good result. Best of luck for your test, guys. Okay, so in patterns we have studied it, guys. We will do a little revision what we have studied, and then we will do practice today for the patterns with the different shapes, and we will learn the patterns with the different colors also, and we will practice. I'll make you practice. I'll take your answers in the chat box. I'll try to open some of the students mic also. I'll take 1 2 4 3 4 some of the students so that they can participate also. So guys, pattern, we learned that we can have different things around us which have the pattern. You can check the tiles, the floors, where you can find the repeated pattern. Okay, so the pattern we started learning, that is about the pattern in the shapes. Okay, so here you can see the book example that was having two shapes. This, the first one is a square and the second one is circle. After a square circle there are another square and circle, and there is another square and circle. So in the pattern, after the square, the circle shapes comes, and after these two shapes, the pattern is repeated. This pattern is repeating after two shapes. So if I ask you what will come after circle, so you will say, sir, square. Okay, if I draw a square and I ask you what will come after square, so you will say circle. How you will say it? Because you know the pattern is, in the pattern there are two shapes, square and circle, and after circle there is a square, and after square there is a circle, and after circle the pattern is repeated. Okay, so we are going to make today some practice. I'm going to show you here on different file. You can find here, guys, this pattern. Okay, this is square, this is triangle, this is square, this is triangle, square, triangle, square. Now can you tell me which shape will come next? Yes guys, can you tell me which shape will come next?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Look guys, I'm asking for this pattern. Okay, I made a pattern, I square, then a triangle, square, a triangle, square, triangle, and square. After square, can you tell me which shape will come next?
Triangle.
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 Very good, guys. Very good. The next shape will be triangle. If I ask you, how do you know, students? You will say, because of the pattern, sir. In the pattern, after a square, there is triangle. In the pattern, after a square, there is a triangle. So, after this square, there must be a triangle. Okay, but if I ask you, after triangle, which shape will come next? Okay, I'm going to ask you, but before that, I would like to explain. So guys, what is important for you guys? The first thing which you should do is to identify the pattern. Okay, whenever you have some pattern, you have to identify the pattern. You see, this is a square, triangle, and again a square and triangle. From here you realize that the pattern is made up of two shapes, square and triangle. First shape is a square, the second shape is triangle, and then after two shape it is repeated. Look, square, triangle. After two shapes, it is repeated. Square, triangle. After two shape, it is repeated. Square, triangle. Now you find out you identified the pattern. The third thing is if someone asks you, can you tell me which shape will come the next according to the pattern? So you will check the pattern. This is triangle. After triangle, the pattern is repeated. Square triangle, the pattern is repeated and pattern starts from square. So there will be a square. Is that clear to all of you guys? Very good, very good. Okay, I'm going to give you a pattern and you have to identify the pattern. You have to complete the pattern and you have to tell me the answer in the chat box. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
That's very good.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay. So the pattern I'm going to make, that is this square, this triangle, square, this triangle, square, this triangle. Yes, guys, you have to tell me which shape will come next after triangle. After triangle, which shape will come next? Tell me your answers in the chat box, guys. Anas Muhammad, very good. Yes, guys, I need your answers in the chat box. Look at this pattern, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Can you tell me the next? Rayan Sami, very good. Anas Ahmad, very good. Muhammad Saleh, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. All students need to participate, guys. Ammar Yasir, very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Adam Umar, very good. Very good. All right. I'm going to open the one of the students' mic and I will ask him. Yes, Zoom user, what is your name?
My name is Hamza Ahmad Muhammad Suleiman.
Hamza Ahmad Muhammad Suleiman. I told you too many times. Why don't you use your name?
Use my name.
But it is Zoom user. I cannot read your name. It is written Zoom user. Okay?
I am
Yes.
changing now.
Very good. Not now. Every time whenever you enter into the class, you change your name. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Hamza, tell me after this triangle, which shape will come next?
Where?
Square. How do you know?
Because the patterns
Very good.
is um square triangle, square triangle, square triangle.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Hamza. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Hamza is saying that it will be a square. I need to confirm it with one more student. Omar Mustafa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Omar. Can you tell me the pattern? Can you identify the pattern and tell me which shape will come next after this triangle? Yes.
Triangle.
After this triangle, which shape will come next according to the pattern? Yes. Look, the first shape is square. Then there is triangle. Then again square, triangle, square, triangle. So this pattern is made of two shapes, square and triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
After triangle, which shape will come? Which is the another shape? Yes, this is already triangle. After triangle, which shape comes in the pattern? That is square. Okay. So after triangle, there will be a square. Because after triangle, the pattern starts repeated. Okay. So square will come. Okay. Clear? Yes, guys. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I'm going to show. I'm going to make one more pattern, guys. And this time I'm going to make with three shapes. Okay. Square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle. Square. So guys, you have to identify this pattern: square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. After square, which shape will come next? You have to tell me in the chat box. After square, which shape will come next? Check the pattern and tell me in the chat box first. Amir, very good. Amar, no. Anas, very good. Anas Ahmad, also good. Anas Muhammad, also good. Yes, guys, you have to tell me which shape will come next. Anas Fahad, very good. Triangle, square, or circle? Which shape will come next? Azam Saleh. Why triangle? Check it again. Abdul Rahman Atif, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. This is the pattern. Square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle. Square. Adam Omar, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Abdul Rahman Atif, very good. Muhammad Saleh, very good. Abdullah Saad, no. Abdul Rauf, very good. Rayan Sami, very good. Jamal Badr, very good. But spelling mistake, Jamal. Circle starts from S, not circle starts from C, not from S. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Hamad Al Khalf, very good. Hamad Al Khalf is not known. This is not the answer. Hamza Ahmad, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. Muhammad Saleh. Muhammad Saleh.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which shape will come next after this square?
Circle.
Circle. How do you know? Because in the pattern, yes,
After square.
because in the pattern after square there is
Circle.
circle. That's very good. That's very good. Let me take one more student. Hassan Asad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hassan. Can you tell me after square which shape will come next? Yes.
Circle.
Circle. How do you know? Because in the pattern, say because in the pattern, after square, there is a circle,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. All right, guys. So after a square, there will be a circle. Why there will be a circle? I will repeat it for you guys because you can see the pattern. In the pattern, after every square, there is a circle. The pattern is made of three shapes: square, circle, triangle. After square, there is a circle, and after circle, there is a triangle. And after triangle, the pattern is repeated. Okay. So if I ask you after this circle, which shape will come next? For that, I'm going to take Ibrahim Muhammad. Ibrahim Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ibrahim, can you tell me after this circle, which shape will come next?
Uh,
In the
triangle.
triangle. Very good. How do you know?
Because pattern.
Because in the pattern, yes. In the pattern after circle,
After circle, triangle.
very good. Because in the pattern after circle, there is a triangle. That's why after circle, there will be a triangle, right?
Yes.
That's very good. Thank you. All right, guys. So, okay. Here we have one more pattern, guys. This pattern you finish. This is another pattern. It is square, triangle, rectangle. Square, triangle, rectangle. Square, triangle, rectangle. Okay. Guys, you have to tell me in the pattern, according to the pattern, after this triangle, which shape will come next? Look, this is square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle. After triangle, which shape will come next? Send your answers in the chat box, guys. In the chat box, guys, send your answers, please. Fahad, Anas Fahad, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Amar Yasir, no. Abdul Rauf, no. Anas Muhammad, very good. Rayan Sami, very good. Okay, I'm going to take Ahmad Al Khalf, very good. I'm going to take one of the student. Hamza. Hamza, can you?
Sir.
Yes, Hamza. Can you tell me after this triangle which shape will come? Yes.
Try.
Yes.
What do you mean? Wow.
Okay, check the pattern. Which shape is that?
Rectangle. Rectangle.
Very good. Tell me which shape is that? First one.
Number one.
Rectangle.
لا لا
This
ده
shape.
رقم
This
واحد.
shape. Which shape is that? So,
Square.
this shape.
Triangle.
This shape.
لا ده
Rectangle. This is rectangle. This is not a square. Okay.
Rectangle.
This is square.
يا ابني بص هنا يا بابا بص هنا.
Square.
Square. Triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Square.
Square. Triangle.
What shape should be next? Rectangle. How do you know? Because in the pattern,
Rectangle.
this is a square, triangle, rectangle. Square, triangle, rectangle. Square, triangle. So in the pattern after triangle, which shape come?
Rectangle.
بص يا
Rectangle.
بابا.
There should be a rectangle, right? Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Abdul Rauf, Azam Saleh, and Hamza Basim. Your answers are correct. Okay, I'll take one more student. Anas Muhammad. Yes, Anas Muhammad, can you tell me after this triangle which shape will come next?
Rectangle.
That's very good. How do you know?
Because square, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, square,
Very good, very
square,
good. You can say because in the pattern after triangle there is a rectangle, right?
yes.
That's very good. All right, guys. Now you know the patterns, that how you can make patterns in the shapes. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you the patterns we can make with the colors also. I hope you can see the new screen. This pattern is made using the same shape, guys, but in a different colors. Okay. The pattern is made here using the same shape, but in a different colors. You can see this is the blue triangle, then orange, then blue, then orange, then blue, then orange. So guys, we can have a different pattern with respect to colors as well. Okay, we can have some patterns with respect to colors as well. Okay, so you can see that blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange. Can you tell me if I draw one more triangle here? If I draw one more triangle here, so which color should I fill here? This triangle should be blue or orange after this orange. Yes, guys, tell me your answers in the chat box. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. It should be blue triangle or orange triangle. Yes, guys, tell me your answers in the chat box. Anas Fahad, very good. Anas Ahmad, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Rayan Sami, I'm asking which color? Okay, it will be a triangle. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. All right, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me, guys, which triangle should be the next after this orange one? Blue triangle or orange triangle? Yes.
Blue, blue, blue.
Blue triangle.
Blue, very good. Because you know that in a pattern after blue there is an orange triangle, and after these two triangles the pattern is repeated. I mean again blue. So this should be blue. Okay, let's do some practice, guys. You can see here some squares. These are some squares, guys. Okay, you can see some squares. The first is blue square, then a green square. Blue square, green square. Blue square, green square. Then a blue square. What you have to tell me, guys, after this blue square, which color square should be the next? Which color square should be the next, blue or green? Send your answers in the chat box, guys. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Anas Ahmad, very good. Abdul Rahman Atif, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Abdul Rahman, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Muhammad Saleh, very good. Rayan Sami, very good. Adam Umar, very good. Very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Amir Al Falai, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. Jamal Badr, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jamal. Tell me, after this blue square, which color square should be there?
Gray.
Green. How do you know?
Because
Hmm.
blue of
Because in the
after
pattern,
blue is green.
very good. Thank you. He's saying it will be green. Let me take over one more student. Ammar Yasir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ammar. Can you tell me after this blue square, which color square should be next?
Green.
How do you know? Yes, how do you know? Because in the pattern, say because
Because
in the pattern
the pattern
after
after
blue square,
blue square.
which square is there? Green. Okay, so you can say sir after, because after blue square there is a green square in the pattern, that's why after blue there will be a green square, right? That's very good. All right guys, so after blue there will be a green. If I ask after this green square, which color square should be there? Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Muhammad, can you hear me? Abdul Rahman Al Wasil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Rahman. After green square, which square should be next?
Blue.
How
Blue
do
square.
okay, how do you know?
Because
Hmm.
here blue then green. Blue, green, blue and green, then blue, then green.
Okay,
Then me blue after
that's
it.
very good. That's very good. That's very good. Thank you. So he's right, guys, because in the pattern blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. So it should be green square. Okay, guys, let's move it further. Okay, here you can see some triangles. Okay, this is the first triangle is black, the second triangle is orange, and the third triangle is blue. Black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange. Now you all have to tell me which triangle should be next. Which color triangle should be next? It should be black, it should be orange, or it should be blue. What you have to do, guys, you have to identify the pattern. This is black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange. Which color triangle should be next? Identify the pattern and tell me. Anas Ahmad, very good. Hamad Al Khalf, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Hamza Al Sayyid, very good. Abdul Rahman Atif, very good. Anas Ahmad, very good. Hamza Ahmad Muhammad Suleiman, very good. Hamad Al Khalaf, no. Abdul Rauf, very good. Rayan Sami, very good. Anas Ahmad, very good. Azam Soleh, very good. Abdullah Saad, very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Amir, very good. That's very good. Very good responses from all of you and very quick responses from all of you. All right. I'm going to take one of the student who will tell me. Adam Umar. Can you hear me? Adam Umar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adam. After this orange triangle, which triangle should be next?
Blue triangle.
How do you know? Yeah.
Because
Hmm.
because there
Hmm.
is black, orange, blue,
That's very good
black,
because
orange.
in the pattern the colors The first in the pattern, there is a black triangle, orange triangle, then blue. So after orange, there is a blue triangle according to the pattern, right?
Right.
That's very good. All right, guys. This is now blue triangle. This is now blue triangle. Now you have to tell me, after this blue triangle, which triangle should be next? Which triangle should be next? Which triangle should be next? Okay, for that I'm going to ask Abdul Rahman Atif. Abdul Rahman Atif.
Yes.
Yes. Which triangle should be next after this blue? Black. How do you know?
Black. Because orange, blue, black. Orange, blue, black. Orange, blue, black.
But it's starting from black. It is black, orange, blue. Black, orange, blue. The first one is black. That's
Black.
great.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Welcome. I will see the answers in the chat box. Okay. And Anas Muhammad, Ahmad, Hamza, Anas Ahmad, Rayan Sami, Abdul Rauf, Anas Fahad, and Ibrahim Muhammad. All answers are correct. The answer is black. Because after 3 colors, the pattern is repeated. After blue, the pattern is repeated. This is black. Now, guys, can you tell me which shape will be next? Which color triangle will be next? Which color triangle will be next? Very good, Ahmad Al Khalf. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. And this is Abdullah Saad. Abdullah Saad, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdullah Saad. After black triangle, which color triangle should be the next?
Orange.
Orange. How do you know? How do you know?
Black, orange, blue, black,
Very,
orange, blue, black, orange.
that's very good. That's very good. Because the pattern is made up of 3 color triangles, black, orange, and blue, and then after it is repeated, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Right.
So in the chat box, I have received the answers also. Abdul Rahman Atif, Anas Muhammad, Amir, Hamza Muhammad, Ahmad Suleiman, Ibrahim Muhammad, Anas Fahad, Anas Ahmad, Hamza Muhammad, Abdul Rauf, Rayan Sami. All answers are correct. Thank you so much, guys. Inshallah, we'll continue from here. Our class time is finished. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Love you, sir. Love you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Love you, sir.
Bye.